Hey everyone, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. Continuing with our Valentine's Day theme, I'm back with yet another delicious starter. We're going to show you how I made this garlic prawn and chorizo. Stay with me and let's get started. And for this recipe, it doesn't require that much ingredients, yet it's amazing. It tastes delicious. So we're going to go through the ingredient list. We have king prawns in this bowl, and the king prawn is already deveined. I purchased this from my local supermarket and I let it thaw. I have some chorizo, I have some diced garlic, some chilies, fresh parsley, fresh coriander, smoked paprika, white pepper, black pepper, Himalayan salt, and then finally olive oil. All the ingredients, including measurements, will be in the description box below. So first things first, I'm going to add my king prawns to a bowl, and then I will add the following seasoning. I'll add some Himalayan salt, smoked paprika, white pepper, and then finally black pepper. Feel free to season your king prawns using your preferred seasonings of choice. As I've added on my seasoning, I'm going to add the diced garlic followed by the chorizo. I will also add some chilies. If you don't like chilies, feel free to omit it from this recipe. Now I'm going to add my fresh parsley, and I will also add fresh coriander. If you don't have the fresh ingredients, but you do have dried parsley and dried coriander, you can also use that. It will be fine. Now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, and then I will mix everything together to ensure that everything is well combined. Next, I'm going to transfer the prawn and chorizo in an oven-proof baking dish, and I will cover with cling film and place this in the refrigerator just to allow it to marinate for about 5 minutes before I place this in the oven. After 5 minutes later, I have placed the prawn and chorizo in a preheated oven at 200 degrees, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, I have taken the garlic prawn and chorizo out of the oven, and guys, it smells divine. Oh my goodness. I am just going to add a slice of lemon, and I will also garnish it with some fresh parsley, and this starter is ready to be served. You guys, you have to try this recipe during this Valentine or any time of the year. Thank you for joining me. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and also click on the notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy this beautiful starter, and I will see you next time. Bye.